be showing you how to make homemade delicious pizza slices. So I'm using brown bread, you can use white bread, and I'm going to take the crust off, but I'm going to keep the rest for later. Just eat it. So now I'm going to place my 2 breads on the plate. So you're going to use pepperoni and cut them in slices, just like this. After cutting them in slices, I'm going to add tomato puree. Then I'm going to add tomato puree on the bread. Then I'm going to wipe it with the spoon. It's looking good already, it's looking so good. So now I'm going to add my cheese, mozzarella cheese. Then you're going to add your pepperoni slices and put it on top of the mozzarella cheese. So here I'm using an air fryer. If you don't have an air fryer, just use the oven, but cook for 5 minutes in the oven. This is the final result. It looks good, the texture is so good, the cheese is cheesy. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this.